Vivi's ready. You ready, Vivi? She's like, where are we? She thinks she's probably seeing visiting friends. Good morning. Today's the day. The sun is shining.
Settle me.
Sorry. Hi, Vivi. We're going to go and get the keys for our new place today. You excited anyway?
I am, but I'm so tired.
Guess what we've got?
The keys. We got the keys.
There's Mummy, nothing. Russell, you ready to start packing the van?
Mm-hmm. Look, open this.
Russell's already been online shopping, ready to decorate the whole house.
$25.
She's starting to get really confused. I can tell in her face she doesn't know what's going on. What's going on, Papa? What's going on? You ready? You excited? Let's go. Is it going?
Of course,
Yes, it's going. If you know Melbourne, you would have seen that we just came over the Westgate Bridge. So our new home is in where?
another country.
Werribee.
Who you be? Werribee.
What?
Wennaby?
Wennaby.
Werribee. Werribee, 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 Werribee. You know the song. We're moving to do bigger and better things because we want to do bigger and better things. I'm going to have my own craft room and Starby Esther's going to have a big workshop. And we're going to be expanding.
Right.
Expand the business, expand our life,
Yeah.
expand our
A
family.
little garden for Vivian. Make sure it's angled right.
I've been holding this phone doing B-roll for you for 6 minutes over that bridge.
We're nearly there. Vivi's excited. She's getting nervous.
Yeah, little Vivi, she still doesn't know what's happening. Been in the car just that little bit too long and she's like, oh, I want to get out.
A house. Our first house. We've never lived in a house together. And how you feeling, honey? How you feeling?
I'm feeling excited, I'm feeling good. I'm happy that I'm here and I can't wait.
Here's the list. Address.
The address was just said.
You want to go in? Or you want Russell wants to get in? You want a photo in front of this? Do you want to take Vivian? You ready? Come on.
Where's the kids?
Let's do a little. Well, now we'll finally do our house tour. I don't know. We better figure out which one is which.
Okay,
this is
yeah.
weird. It's like we're walking to someone else's house, right? Doesn't
Yeah.
feel right.
Okay. Which way?
It must. There you go. You ready, Vivi? She's like, where are we? She thinks she's probably seeing visiting friends.
Ooh! It's got the light on the side.
Yeah. Yeah. Little light there. Little light.
Ooh! This is our hallway.
Oh my god, it's echoey. It's echoey.
So this is our extra large hallway. It's where we all do hall things. And
Do what?
Hall things.
Whole thing.
And have halls. And this is a little nook in our hall.
We have a nook.
Because it's so big.
We have a knock.
I can stand in this nook. Two of me can stand in this nook. Now come through to my boudoir.
Okay, let's have a look at the boudoir.
This is the boudoir.
Master bedroom.
Nice window. Large spaces.
What are you gonna do with this room? Do you have a,
It's
are we still doing Golden Girls chic?
no. I don't know.
This master, literally, that whole, the wardrobe. I mean, it's a walk-in wardrobe. That whole wall is wardrobe. It's crazy.
I'm coming out of the closet.
Oh my god. All right, and then continue. So much room for activities. Look Look at all these chickens.
This is going to be my tool shed.
This is the new Starbucks Esther headquarters. Show them the kitchen. Russell. Russell. He's getting excited by boxes. Russell. Are you going to show them the master? I'm going to call this the master pantry. This is the master pantry. The master pantry with its own window.
Just look at it.
You're overwhelmed and excited. Look at the stove. Standalone stove. Big, huge kitchen counter. And then look at this. Look how huge this space is. We've got a huge living space. Let's open these.
Did he finally get to garden? She's never had a garden.
Yeah, sure. Free shovel, great.
Plank.
Are we really going to show them the side of the house?
No,
Chips. I want some fake grass too.
I want to put hedges along here.
Yeah.
And then like privacy fence.
This is going to be Russell's new passion project as well. Now he has the space and he has a whole house to decorate, so he's going to do some DIYs and furniture hacks and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. What?
Outdoor cleaning things.
I know. This is actually way bigger than I thought as well.
I love buying supplies.
Never using them.
Yeah, but like to have something to clean spider webs. You know what I mean? Like.
We did say it's 4 bedrooms, so now we've got 3 bedrooms at the back of the house.
One's gonna be a craft room, my craft room.
Yeah.
And one's gonna be a spare bedroom.
And then what's the other one? Maybe like an office/theatre room, probably.
Yeah. Bathtub. Oh, you wanna have
I feel like we're like burglarizing someone else's house right now.
Got you a house. We got a house. Yay!
We're gonna have the best Christmas. First step is putting in the Christmas tree, right?
Yes.
Look what Russell just spotted. What did you spot?
I want a tap for a fridge so we can plumb the water.
We can get it plumbed in the fridge. We can never leave. We can never leave. If we buy that fridge, we can never leave. Slow cause drop, my God. We'll set up your bed and get cozy for our first night in our new home.
Ridiculous. Here's and here's.
What do you want to think?
Maybe they knew there was going to be faggots here. I can sit in the shower.
How excited are you to decorate the whole thing?
So excited.
Right.
So excited. Already bought a sofa.
We've got the sofa coming.
Already got the sofa coming.
So if you want to subscribe to Russell's channel, he's he'll be doing the decorating.
A decoration with Russell.
Of how the house is going.
Yeah.
No one to tell us no, or where to go, or stay where only dreaming. This is you. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Ruby's like, what the hell? The one lonely couch, this is hilarious. The big times. Alright, we've done our second load and last load of the night.
It's velour
And this is because we haven't got the bed, we're just gonna camp out in the new living room, aren't we, Vivi? Turn that way, like I am. Thank you for watching our first day
empty house tour.
And now it's slightly less empty.
Empty, yeah, messy, new messy house tour.
So if you want to subscribe and follow along of Russell and me transforming this house into a beautiful home, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. First step is setting the house up for Christmas, right?
Yes.
In the future. Then we're going to watch a Christmas movie now. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
We'll fall asleep in a minute of watching the movie. What do you want to watch?